Well, hello and welcome to this tips and tricks video. Have you just installed OpenJDK11 just to find that it wasn't actually OpenJDK11 that was installed, it was OpenJDK10? Well, this video solves that mystery and takes you step by step through how to correctly install OpenJDK11 on Ubuntu systems. Right, let's have a look. I've got my Java version, and as you can see, it says OpenJDK version 10.02 and 10.02 and 10.02. Yet, if you look what I've got. Java 11 OpenJDK. A real mystery. So, how do we solve this? Well, it seems that there's been a bit of a problem with the OpenJDK builds. So what you need to do is you need to add the OpenJDK repository to your system. So I'll put this in a gist which you can have a look at, and so I'll put it in the notes below, and if you run that, you need to press enter to accept, and it will take a moment to download the keys and install the repository. Right, that's the repository installed. Now you must run an update at this point, otherwise it won't actually have brought down the items in the repository. So sudo apt-get update, and this might take a moment or two while it does it. Okay, so that's done the updates, and then the final part is, of course, sudo apt-get install OpenJDK11 JDK. This will take a moment while it downloads everything. And yes, I would like to continue. Right, that took about 3 to 4 minutes to come down, and now it's going to unpack and install, which will probably take another minute or two, so we'll come back once it's completely installed. Interesting to note, if you have a look here, it's saying it's unpacking version 11 over version 10, which is good. Okay, and that took about a minute or so to unpack and install. Right, let's now see which version of Java we have installed. And as if by magic, there we have version 11. If you remember, if we go right back up to the top, you can see it was version 10, and now we actually do have the real version 11. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments below. If you please like and subscribe and share this video so other people know how to solve this mystery. My name's John. Thank you very much for watching.